Welcome to the fifth video of this playlist. Today, we will add state to a component. React state is data that belongs to a component and can change over time. When the state changes, React automatically updates the screen to show the new data. For example, a counter value or input text is stored in state, so the UI stays in sync with user actions. In this video, we will set our first state in the counter component. Remember, in React, the state can change over time. So here, the quantity may change based on the user by clicking either plus or minus button. The quantity may increase or decrease by clicking the buttons. So, to add state, we need to input them at the top. Then, at the top of the component, add const quantity set quantity equals use state. Then add the initial state value. I will set to 0. We can give the state name to anything you want, but for now, I have used quantity and set quantity. Now, we don't need to get quantity from an array using props because it will come from the state. So open the app component and remove the quantity. Also, remove them from the item component. Open item component and remove it from the counter component. Finally, in the counter component, remove the props. Then, to use the state value, we can just use quantity. Check the preview, and it works. Also, let me quickly check if there are any errors in the console. And yes, we have 2 errors. The first one is saying each child in the list should have a unique key prop. To fix this, open the app component. In the array, add the key properties, each with unique numbers. Then, in the item component, use key equals item.key. Check the preview, and the error is gone. Let's also fix this error. This is a simple one. Instead of using class name, we use classed in this item component. So open the component and here add class name. Check the preview, and now all error messages are gone. Great. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll handle events and update the state. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you for watching and see you soon.